companies are paying people with AI skills an average of $18,000 more per year than people without them. And that number's only going up. I'm not talking about coding robots or getting a computer science degree. I'm talking about skills you can start learning today for free from your phone or laptop. AI skills that companies are already hiring for today. And honestly, here's what's crazy. Most adults don't even have these AI skills yet, which means if you start learning them while you're still in school, you're going to walk into the job market years ahead of everyone else. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly which AI skills are worth learning, where to learn them for free, and how some teenagers are already turning these skills into real income, even before they graduate. However, a quick heads up, none of this is a get-rich-quick thing. This takes real effort and real learning. But the earlier you start, the bigger the head start you're going to have. Okay, so first of all, let me show you why I'm even making this video. Because I know what you might be thinking. AI is just a trend. It's just some kind of thing that's going to blow over, or maybe I'm too late to start learning. And no, here's the thing. Lightcast analyzed over 1.3 billion job postings and found that jobs that require AI skills actually pay 20% higher salaries on average. That's roughly $18,000 more per year for the same type of role. And it gets wilder. PwC found that workers with AI skills earn 56% higher wages compared to similar roles without AI. That's up from 25% that was just a few years ago. But here's the part that should get your attention. While overall job postings actually dropped by 11% last year, AI-related job postings actually grew 7.5%. The rest of the job market is literally shrinking, but the AI job market is still growing. And according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, computer and information research scientist roles are projected to grow 26% by 2033. And the average for all job markets is only just 4%. So now you can see this isn't just a trend. This is where the job market is literally heading. And the question is whether you're going to be ready for it or playing catch up. All right, so what should you actually learn? Because me just saying learn AI is super vague. So let me break it down into 6 real skills that are in demand right now. Number 1 is AI content creation. Now, this is probably the easiest one to start with because you learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut with its AI features to create social media content, blog posts, thumbnails, and short form videos. And here's why this matters. Almost every business needs content, and most of them don't have a clue how to use AI to make it faster. So if you can walk to a local business and say, I can create your entire month of social media content in just a few hours using AI, that's honestly a real service people would genuinely pay for. And the learning curve is pretty low. You can actually get started this weekend. Tools like CapCut make this really accessible because it has AI-powered auto captions, smart editing, templates built for TikToks and Reels, and it's just perfect. So you can literally help a local coffee shop make a month of short form content in a single day. And if you want to level up and help businesses with ads, another tool is adscreative.ai. It can also generate ad creatives and social media graphics. So now, instead of designing everything from scratch, the AI gives you a starting point. Or if you're more into video and audio, Descript lets you edit podcasts, YouTube shorts, and talk ahead clips, almost like editing a text document. And it's a great option if you prefer being behind the camera, because you can save up to 50% of the annual plan and try the other tools for free. Now, if you want to be good enough that people pay you, you need to practice and build out your portfolio. So make sure that you keep this in mind. Okay, now content creation is great, but what if you want something with more long-term career value? That's where skill number 2 comes in, prompt engineering. This is the skill of knowing how to talk to AI tools to get the best results. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Companies are literally hiring for this skill. For example, when a marketing team uses ChatGPT and gets generic garbage, that's a prompt engineering problem. When someone uses Midjourney and gets something that looks off, that's a prompt engineering problem. So the people who understand how to write detailed, specific prompts that actually get good outputs, they're the ones who are getting hired. You can practice this for free right now. Literally, just open up ChatGPT and start chatting to it and experimenting. Try to get it to write something specific that you want. then figure out why the output wasn't what you wanted and adjust. That process of iterating and improving your prompts, that is what prompt engineering is. Okay, now for skill number 3. It's AI-assisted copywriting. If you don't know, copywriting is writing that sells things like emails, ads, product descriptions, landing pages. AI can speed this up dramatically, but it still needs a human touch. So this is where you come in. You see, the people who can use AI as a starting point and then edit, refine, and add personality to the output, those are people who are actually in demand. And one approach that's been working for freelancers is learning AI-assisted LinkedIn ghostwriting, because businesses and executives, they pay people to write them their LinkedIn posts. And you can literally use AI to draft, and then you can polish it with a real human voice that sounds just like your clients. A tool like Copy.ai is honestly solid for this. You can use it to write first drafts of social media posts or emails or product descriptions. Then you can just apply your prompt engineering skills to refine the output over time. And that workflow of using AI to draft plus human to polish it off is exactly what businesses are paying for. So if you ever build a simple website or start writing longer blog content, tools like Bertha AI or Get Genie can actually help with that too. They're optional, but honestly, they're good to know about as you grow. Okay, so those first 3 AI skills are all about working with AI. But this next one is about what you can build on top of AI. And honestly, it might be one of the most valuable skills on this list, because skill number 4 is AI automation. This is where you learn to connect different AI tools together to automate tasks. Think about things like setting up a system where a business gets an email, AI reads it, categorizes it, drafts a response, and puts it in a queue for review. All automatic, all AI automated. Tools like Zapier, Make.com, and even Google's built-in AI features let you build these workflows out without needing to know how to code. And businesses, again, will pay good money for someone who can come in and save their team hours and hours every single week. Now, this skill takes a bit more effort to learn, but it also has some of the highest earning potentials because you're going to be solving real business problems, not just creating social media content. A free tool like Notion is honestly a great place for you to start learning this skill, because you can start building AI-powered databases, automated task trackers, and project management systems. And it's a solid way to get your feet wet before jumping into full automation platforms. And when you're ready to build real automations like connecting a business's email to the CRM or the calendar, Make.com is one of the best tools. It's visual, drag and drop, and there's no coding needed for this as well. Alright, so those are skills you can start learning this week. But honestly, these last 2 AI skills are the ones that could set you up for years. Because skill number 5 is AI photo and video editing. AI is completely changing how editing works. Tools like Runway, Pika, and the AI features inside CapCut and Photoshop lets you just do things that used to take professionals hours to do. For example, background removal, object editing, upscaling, color correction, even generating entire video clips from text alone. So if you learn how to use these tools now while you're young, you have the time to experiment and you'll be way ahead of adults who are still figuring out how to use Photoshop the old-fashioned way. And honestly, there's real demand here as well, because small businesses need thumbnails, product photos, social media videos, and content creators need editors. And the ones who know how to use AI to work faster, they're going to be way more competitive and they'll be able to take on more clients and deliver faster, better results. CapCut's AI feature are worth mentioning as well, specifically for editing, because you can now do background removal, auto cuts, smart effects, and it's free to start and genuinely powerful for the price tiers. And if you don't want to be on camera, that's absolutely fine, because you can check out Creatify. What it does is it can turn scripts into video content using AI. So all you do is just write out the script and the AI handles the visuals and voiceover. And you can save 50% on the annual plan. Now for AI skill number 6 is data analysis with AI. This one might sound a bit boring, but stay with me, because every company has data, the sales numbers, customer behavior, website traffic, and most of them don't have anyone who knows how to make sense of it all. However, AI tools can now help you analyze spreadsheets, create charts, spot trends, and even write reports. If you learn how to feed data into AI and pull out useful insights, that's honestly a skill that works in basically every industry. from finance, marketing, healthcare, even retail, all of them. Google Sheets, Excel, and ChatGPT's data analysis features are free to start with, so you don't need to know how to code. You just need to understand what questions to ask the AI. So here's the best part. You don't need to spend $1 to start learning any of these skills. In fact, let me run you through the best free resources that I found. And these aren't just random YouTube tutorials. They're actual courses from companies that hire for AI specific roles. First is Google's AI Essentials on Coursera. It's free to order. It covers the fundamentals of how AI works, how prompt engineering and practical applications also work, and it's designed for complete beginners. So you can finish it in about a week if you put in an hour or two a day. The second free course is Google's Cloud's free AI. These are honestly more hands-on, and you can actually build things when you finish. And you can get a skill badge after completion, which you can put on your LinkedIn, and there's no credit card needed to use this. And third is IBM Skills Build. They have a whole student track specifically designed for young people, where it covers AI fundamentals, data science, cloud computing, and it's completely free. Fourth is Harvard's CS50's AI course. Now, this one's a bit more technical because it involves knowing how to code with Python. But if you're more interested in the coding side of AI, this is honestly one of the best courses on the internet, period. And fifth is Microsoft's AI Fundamentals. The learning material is completely free, and if you want the official certification, there's an exam fee that you can take. But honestly, the knowledge itself costs nothing, and it's probably the most valuable thing you can get out of it. All these links are in the description, so you can check them out after the video. Now, I want to be straight with you about something. Can you start making money with AI skills while you're still in school? Yes, you definitely can, because some teenagers already have. I came across a thread on Reddit where an 18-year-old talked about using AI for freelance work, where he was picking up gigs, helping businesses with content and automation. And he didn't make millions, but they were actually earning real money while their classmates were doing odd jobs like food delivery and babysitting. In fact, another person shared that they made thousands of dollars over 5 months by uploading their own voice to 11 Labs AI voice library. Now, again, that's not a fortune, but it's income from an AI skill that most people don't even know exists. And honestly, here's my full take. The real value of AI skills isn't making a few $100 in high school. It's walking to college or a job with skills that 95% of applicants don't have. Think about it. When every other applicant has the same degree and the same internship, and you're the one who can say, I've built AI automations or I've created AI-powered content for real clients, and here's my portfolio to prove it, that's a completely different conversation you're going to have. You're going to stand out. However, if you're under 18, there's another thing that you need to know. Most freelancing platforms have age restrictions. Fiverr lets you sign up at 13, but you need a parent's permission. And Upwork requires you to be 18. Etsy does allow 13 to 17-year-old accounts, but you need to be using a parent's account. PromptSpace is 18 and up as well. However, Fiverr actually is a great first platform that you can try out, because once you've got your parents' permission, you can offer AI content creation, thumbnails, or video editing services, or any of the other skills that we've covered in this video. It's the simplest way to get your first real paying clients. So what do you do if you can't use these platforms yet? Honestly, if I was you, I would just focus on learning and building up your AI portfolio. You want to set up a parent supervised account if you can. And you want to offer services to local businesses directly where there's no platform age gate. And you can just document everything that you create for them. Because the skills will never expire, and your portfolio also won't expire. And the second you turn 18, you'll have a body of work that most adults starting from scratch won't even have. Okay, so now let me give you something concrete. Here's what I would do if I was in high school right now. Week 1, I'll pick one AI skill from the 6 I mentioned, just one. And then I want to start with the Google AI Essentials course. Then in week 2, I'll start practicing. If you picked content creation, make 10 pieces of content using AI. If you picked automation, build a workflow in Notion or Zapier. And then for week 3 and week 4, you want to start building a portfolio. Screenshot your best work, save it somewhere organized, because this is the proof you'll be bringing to clients. Now for month 2, you want to try offering the skills to someone for free. It could be a local business, a family, a friend, a teacher who needs help. Get a real testimonial here. Then in month 3, you want to start putting yourself out there a lot more, whether that's online on Fiverr with a parent's account or just reaching out to your local businesses directly. Now, is this going to be easy? Not really, but it's going to take time and effort. However, you need to remember that the skills that you're building will compound over time, and the AI skills that you learn now will get better with practice. And the earlier you start, the further ahead you're going to be. And one more thing, if you get into this and realize that you want to turn your AI skills into an actual career path, like a structured role in tech sales, digital marketing, or IT, you want to check out Course Careers. They offer specific training that can get you job ready without a traditional 4-year degree. And you'll get a $50 discount with the link I've put down below. If you use any of our links, we do get a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. And it helps us keep creating free videos like this, so thanks a lot in advance. If this is helpful, hit that like button for more genuine side hustle breakdowns, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out this video.